If you take it and you just straight up my ass,
perfect.
That will be perfect. Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be an extremely quick one. We just went to O'Reilly's. I got home last night and the drone is horrible with these turbos, especially where the dump sits. So we went to O'Reilly's, we got some turndowns. We're about to throw them on real quick and see how they sound. Turn down for what? All right, to show the current setup we got here, we got turbo, dump. So that's the play here. Maybe a little to the side. There you go. If you take it and you just straight up my ass,
perfect.
That will be perfect.
Massage seats.
Connor, I won't make you pay me back for the big turbo if you take your tongue and you put it on this hot ass turbo right now.
I'm very willing.
For 2 full seconds.
I'm very willing. I don't need to taste.
There definitely are jack stands.
It's on the jack and the car's standing up.
They're camouflaged though. It's a new kind. But I changed my mind. We have our Jegs jack stands. We're gonna throw it on the jack stands. We're gonna be nice. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna do it right. All right, slide it on. It's incredibly simple. There you go. Simple as that. Tighten it up and we're all good. We have our Jegs big toolbox here to help us out. Connor, take a guess. What size?
14.
14. 14. Let's see. We're gonna point them out a little bit so that maybe it won't be shooting directly below my more and will come out the side of the car.
Yeah.
Sound like a good idea?
Yeah.
So we're kind of pointing them out a little bit this way, like I said, because I don't want it to go straight down. You don't want to sit there and just tighten one side. You want to sit there and kind of go back and forth and keep it somewhat even all the way around. What was your question?
I was gonna ask you, I wanted to straighten this clamp out a little bit since I've got this one flat and yours is a little...
Yeah, I'm OCD. Let's do it. All right, we're all set. Everything's tight. It is definitely not gonna go anywhere. We got them turned out a little bit so that they're not pointing straight down or straight up my ass. All right, let's start it up. Lower down. Sounds like a 4-cylinder accelerating. Okay, let's start it.
Start it now. Okay.
You can still hear the turbo spooling down.
I know I never will. I keep saying I will, and I've got so much confidence in it. But I know I never
will. Shift! Shift! Now I will. Alright. Let's see. Closed. Windows closed. Still vibrates. Who would have thought? Don't pull out in front of me. I also don't want them to see me flying because I live there.
It doesn't seem to vibrate quite as much though. When you get up in the RPMs, never mind.
I think it's better. I think it's a lot better, actually.
Way better. C8.
See how long it hangs here at 3,000 RPMs. Okay. That sounds so nuts. Sounds so nuts.
That sounds nuts.
Will they work? Did it blow up? Nice.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Let's try again. We are not doing anything. Well, there you have it. Turndowns. This car sounds insane. My neighbors definitely hate me, and I've taken this car. I've used a full tank of gas today, so going just in and out. So I know they're mad. Was the easiest thing ever to install, and I really like the results. It may just be my mind messing with me, but either way, in my head, it's less drone. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's nothing crazy, but I just got the car back today, so I'm just kind of doing some things here and there and kind of just having fun. I've got a couple races and events lined up, so I am excited for those. If you did enjoy, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see with the car. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one.